Venetian, Chris's turn, and he picked Dragon, Firecracker, Jade. We want these funky little dragons to do something. Figure out what the wild is. Come on, blow something up. Got some fishes there. We're doing 88-cent bet? Okay. Come on, dragons. Oh, those are your wilds. Nice line hit. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch our videos. That's a good line hit. All right. Back on top. Come on, dragons. Man, if that had been a wild. Getting some line hits. Uh-oh, shaky, shaky. Wakey, wakey. Oh, got some wilds. Got aces. Wasted wilds. You definitely want those wilds when you're getting good symbols. Pretty lively here at the Venetian. Good crowd. Although I will say, their carpet and their flooring, this place is it needs an update. A lot of wear and tear in here. I just do not like to walk down here past all those crazy places. Come on, give us something. Keep us going. Oh, one more fishy. That would have been nice. Play your wager, Saver. Come on, give us something. Got jacks. There we go.
I think 3 you might have it.
Man, yeah, I was hoping you'd catch one.
We got it on the wager saver.
We got double games on a wager saver. Way to go, Christopher. And a win. Woohoo! Double games features 8 games won. Double games during free spins. You go. Here he comes. Oh, so it's a two boards. Come on, give us something. Got kings here. Come on, no blockers. We don't want no blockers. We want wins. Don't like the blockers. Come on. Oh, I like that guy. I have him on one of my games. Blow those firecrackers up. There you go. Yes, it is. 10's across. And you got the pigs across, Chris. Ha 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 ha. If you touch him, he spins around and laughs. On my game, on my Konami, he does. He goes, ha ha ha.
$21.
Way to go. Throw them firecrackers down. Yeah. We're on free game 3 of 8. Looks good, looks good. Slot challenge is going pretty good so far tonight.
Oh, that one line was $21.
Yeah, the one line was 21. All right, come on, get us again. Throw some firecrackers, dude. Throw the firecrackers. Bing, bang, boom. Oh, come on. There's some... Got some lions. Aw, man. Come on, dragon. Last one. He doesn't want to throw nothing else down. He says, you're done.
I'll take it.
We will take it. That's a bonus.
One back up?
You can go down to 20. Maybe we'll hit the red or purple. And that's it. Last spin. Success.